Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 crashing easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here, go to view advanced system settings. Now performance, click settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, and then close this one. After that, go to Windows update settings, check for updates, and then close it and go to GeForce Experience and check for updates and make sure to install the latest updates that you can find. And that's it. After that, all you have to do, go to device manager. Now go to display adapters, right click update, then search automatically for drivers and do the same thing to the next one. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.